Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support team. In this presentation, we will be going through how to connect to an SSL-enabled Hive service from data engineering integration. Moving on, today's agenda is steps to perform on the cluster mission, steps to perform on the Informatica server mission, steps to perform on the Hive connection demo. First, we need to get the certificates from the cluster. For that, you can use this command to get the cluster certificates. Keytool-export alias, you can give alias name, key store, and the file which you want to export and store path. You can use this command to export the certificates from the cluster mission. You can work with your Hadoop team to get the certificates. Once you got the certificates from your Hadoop team, you can import it using the keytool import set command. Keytool import set alias name which you have used, file, key store, and store path. And like if you are connecting to a SSL enabled domain, then you need to import into infra.trusted.jks. If you are connecting to a not SSL enabled domain, then you need to import it into CSRs. Moving on, like on the Hive connection level, you need to add the parameter SSL equal to true, since we are connecting to a SSL enabled cluster. Moving on, let me go to the demo part. Let me go to the developer client. Yeah, now I'm in developer client. Let me show you the connection. This is a connection which I have created and I have configured the parameter SSL equal to true. When I do the test connection, it will fail because since I have not imported the certificates, like it will fail with the PKIX error. As you can see, like it is failed when trying to connect to SSL Hive since SSL handshake PKIX error. Now let me import the certificates and I'm an Informatica server mission. Here I have the certificate file which I've got from my Hadoop team. I'm importing it into CSL since my domain is not SSL enabled. You can go to your admin console domain. You can check this property and database TSL enabled. If it is true, you need to import into infrastructure.js file. If it is false, you need to import it into CSS. Since my one is false, I'm importing it into CSS file. Yeah, as you can see, one entry has been successfully imported and 0 has failed. Let me now perform the test connection again. As you can see, now the test connection is successful after we have imported the certificates. In this way, you can import the certificates to connect to a SSL enabled Hive. Moving on to the presentation. You can go through this document for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handlers. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.